Friends, this is a hydrophyte. We have just removed it from the water to change the water, and here we can see a snail, a very small snail. I think you can spot it just at the tip of the root of this hydrophyte. This small snail is trying to crawl up the root. Look at this, slowly it is crawling. It is crawling. Yeah, you can see it. And this is the hydrophyte I am showing you. The hydrophyte. Sorry for the disturbance in the voice. And here we can see this is called as symbiosis. An animal is living on the root of a plant. Now we can see the snail. This is the snail that is born. Can see the snail now. Okay. Love this snail. Thank you. Bye bye.